Hi guys, this is the Land Rover Discovery Sport 2015 with keyless entry, as you can see with the dimple. So we're going to open the car because we've got the key, and I'm going to show you how you can disable the keyless entry. So you hold the key and you simply push lights, 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 unlock. Nothing seems to happen, but I've just disabled it. So now if you go out the car and we lock the car, when I now use keyless entry, it doesn't work. So you can see we disabled the keyless entry element. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable it again. And this is great if you want to protect your car against theft. You can simply disable the keyless entry. So I'm going to open it, and in order to enable the keyless entry, climb back into the driver's seat. Then to enable keyless entry, you simply push lights, 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 lock. And what that does, enables the keyless entry. So now I'm going to jump out the car, lock the car, and now we'll see the keyless entry is enabled. And that's how you do it.